Good morning from the puppy. He's tearing up one of his balls that we got him. Now he's making me chase him. Vroom. Isn't he cute? We missed him so much. He's so cute. He had a lot of fun at his aunt's house. Look at him. He's so cute. He's so cute sitting on the chair. Isn't he? He's looking out the window in our bedroom. This is hilarious.
Hold on, I'd take a selfie with the hot dog.
Selfie? Selfies?
Sure,
More selfies?
Selfie, just of a selfie. You know, the beauty of baseball is you can sit next to your neighbor and have a conversation, or you can just completely ignore them.
He's so cute. Look at you, start wagging your tail. He's so sweepy. Are you so sweepy? Yeah. Yeah. He's cute. And I am continuing to try to finish editing our vlogs from vacation. I'm still working on the Disney one, the first day at Disney, so, yeah. And goodness, this dog drinks a lot of water. There's nothing in there. I promise. So, okay, see you, bye. Okay, so here it goes. Here is a scale that actually works. That actually works. There it goes. 0. Okay, here's the candy moment of truth. Here we go. Get out of there. 9.4 pounds. How about that? Yummy! And the puppy that's very interested in the candy. Look at your face. Look at your face. Isn't he so cute? Hello! Still continuing to edit Disney, and this is our second day. I have 3 hours and 11 minutes of footage. So, there you have it. There's all of the clips. So, we'll see how much stays and we'll see how much goes. So there you have it. He is so sleepy today. He's having a dream. Because I hear him barking and growling. And he's obviously sleeping. So cute. He's all whiny. So I think Mama's home. It's in Mama's home.
Hi.
Oh. Oh.
I know. Hi. What is all this paper? Hi. I know.
He is so cute. We have missed coming home to that. He is so cute.
Hey. I do. I see you. I see you. I love you.
Take 2. Here's some cool stuff that we got from vacation. Mostly from Disney. Well, I guess all of this stuff is from Disney. I'll show you little by little. And there's my pretty wife doing her homework.
Hi.
Hi. So here are some of the pins that I got. This is the Diamond Celebration, since it's the 60th anniversary of Disneyland. So that's a pretty cool pin that I got. And then I got this Radiator Springs Racers. It's a piston cup, but we never won, but I still got the pin. So there we go, there's that one. And then I got this cool Disneyland lanyard, Disneyland Resort lanyard, that it's got a bunch of Cars characters and stuff on it. So there's Lightning McQueen, these guys, Mater is in it. So Doc is. So yeah. And then I got a couple more cool pins. I got one that's Oswald. I got another one that is Stitch eating ice cream. Sarah says I need to come with one that Stitch is eating a Dole Whip. A Dole Whip. Whip. Yep. And then I got another one that's Lilo with Stitch. It says Ohana means family. And then got this last one, which is Soaring Over California. California Adventure. So that's pretty cool because it's only called Soaring in Florida. So there you have it. There's my pins that I got this trip. And then we each got a button. Sarah got a first visit to Disneyland because it was her first time this trip. And then I just got a I'm celebrating button, which is not really anything special because they give these out to anybody. So, yep. And then Sarah bought some mini ears, which you saw her wearing them in some of the videos. And then while we were in Cars Land, we got this popcorn bucket. It looks like Lightning McQueen, if I could talk right. So there you go, his lid shuts, and he's got 2 little handles. So there you go. They were also at Flo's V8 Cafe or whatever. They were selling lunches out of these for kids lunches. So that's pretty cool. And then we've got our tickets. Yes. Olaf Diamond Celebration. And then I got my photo pass here that I'm going to keep because it's Diamond Celebration. Very cool. And then a couple park maps. California Adventure. Yep, it's featuring the Tower of Terror. And then Disneyland Mickey's Halloween Party map. So, and this is kind of cool because it showed you all the treat trails. If I can flip it open. Bam! There you go. So, New Orleans, there's treat trail there. There was one over there. We did this one. We did this one. This is two. There we go. Did that one. Did Did that one. We didn't do this one over here. There was one over by Space Mountain that we did. And I think we did that one. So I think we missed like 2 or 3 of them. But yeah, nonetheless, we still had over 9 pounds of candy. Or 6 pounds. I can't remember. You guys remember in the video. But there you have it. That's kind of our stuff that we purchased. Oh, I forgot about these. Okay, don't laugh, guys. But who is this guy supposed to be? Who is it supposed to be? Mind you, I was drawing this while I was recording. Thank you very much, sweetie.
He wasn't drunk.
No, I was not.
I'm just teasing him.
But I was trying to draw this with one hand, balancing the board on my lap, as well as filming with the other hand. So that was entertaining. But here's Sarah's. She did really good. Really good. And I'm sad that the Art Academy is gone from Disney World. So Animators Academy. Thank you, Sarah, from over there, the Peanut Gallery.
Animation Academy. We were both wrong.
Sad to say that is gone at Disney World. So we had to do it while we were out in California to have some experience with it. So there you have it. There's all the stuff. Oh, and one of our trick-or-treating bags that they gave us to put candy in that we didn't really use. So yeah. Hi! Sarah is sitting at her computer doing homework still. And I am editing yet another one of our vlogs, trying to get caught up. I got done with the Disney ones, so those are done. One of them is uploaded. And hey, look, it's a mop. That's the only time that I'm gonna say this, so laugh it out, Brian. So yeah.
So mean.
I am.
I told him not to say it.
I am. Sorry. I forgot to tell you that I did actually get something in Hermosa. I got some mustache wax. Went to a local barber in Hermosa Beach. And that's actually where Brian goes. And they recommended this mustache wax. So I've used it a couple of days and it works really well. You don't have to use a whole lot of it. I use a lot less of this than I do my other stuff, so yep. Yeah, so I totally forgot the one line that I can only say one day a year is that it's time to wake up Green Day. I got that from E.B. Hoyer one year. She put it on Facebook October 1st because they said in a song, "Wake me up when September ends." So there you have it. I forgot to say it yesterday, but I'm saying it today. We gotta wake up Green Day. Look at that. Sarah's doing her homework and the puppy is laying next to her. He is so cute. So, totally editing the yesterday's vlog, and we did no outro, because this is where it ended, was us on the plane before we took off. So, not really sure what happened. I thought I filmed an outro video, but evidently did not. So, sorry. Hello! So here it is, 11:30 or so. I am working on editing my cousin's wedding now. So yeah, that's kind of what's going on, and Sarah is still working on schoolwork. Yes, she is. And wow, our walls look yellow. White balance isn't adjusted right. Oh, it's getting better. Getting better, getting better. There we go. That's better. Ooh. Ooh. So yeah, that's what's going on. Good fun. And the puppy is sweeping really bad. Really sweepy. So cute. And here's my pretty wife. There's Sarah.